Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about car crash accident autonomy. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search car accident autonomy. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website, Best Car Accident Attorney, how to find a good lawyer. When you click this website, the page will be opened of Best Car Accident Attorney. We have to solve have been involved in a car accident and think you may have two cases. How to find the right attorney for you. Top reasons why you are to hire a accident auto insurance. Researchers show the car accident victim, particularly those have to previous minor injuries, are reluctant to hire a personal injuries attorney for a number of reasons. Perhaps don't think one you need. They are intimidated by a prospect and talking about your lawyer. Once you have to don't want to get too drugged and caught like you have to see TV shows, or maybe they have mistakenly believed that you have to would cloud never afford an attorney and their injuries are not that are serious. Whatever this reason, the reality of to not hiring an attorney after a car accident can have a long-term negative consequence and your final settlement to avoid it. Why it is hard to quantify exactly and how much helps to hire an attorney since they are too recent data looking into the issues and cases vary widely. One commonly cited and studied by the Insurance Research Console firm of 2004 found that 85% of cases where the insurance company settled a car accident claim were handled and the hired attorney. In addition, car accident injury victims are the represented by an attorney are awarded 3.5 times more compensation and the settlement than they are those victims and who are represented themselves according to the same study. In this article, injuries develop a comprehensive list of tips and evidence that have reputable and attorneys around the country about benefits of hiring an attorney. Following the crash, our goal is help to accident victim, understanding the settlement difference and having to a great attorney to their side and make sure by providing answer to related questions like what are the top reasons why you should people hire an attorney, what advantages do personal injuries attorney offer a car accident cases, when should I hire personal injuries attorney after a car crash, do you need to a lawyer for a minor car accident. Now we discuss then we go personal injuries and auto accident lawyer. Having an attorney work with that your car accident claim benefit, you have to at every step of process form of initial talks with your insurance companies to settlement negotiates and the trial of attorneys will know what you have to say more importantly and what you to say. If you have an injured to attorney can have to negotiate your bills and local doctors to get the treatment you need as soon as you need it. And one accident should not drawn up prohibitively and expensive medical bills in this attorney job. Make sure you have to hold against of your quickly as possible. Making you whole again include as also dealing with the mechanic. You need to have vehicle become and as soon as possible. A local attorney will know which local machine to trust and how to get the best deals. The best part is not should cost of thing virtually a cases of accepted by our firm and also done so have to contingency free basis. This means that you have to accept and your cases you will be paid for are nothing until you personal injuries lawyer collect for you. If we don't collective you want to have to us your face. Washington DC personal injuries attorney. Humans are a pretty and reluctant species of depending on the initially and take some longer than other, but in the many cases human tend to bounce back from of the crisis or a car accident within the ability of heal and knowledge of the small percentage of people whose lives in the 4 hours changed due to the accident. Those who are in the small accident tend to look at their situation as the glass is half full. While that is a great way to live, it is also means that you have are not recognizing the tools of accident have taken to them and their finance. Even if they have to were able to the walking away and for accident to avoid a trip of hospital, they could not be emotional and traumatic damage beyond having to the pay fix in their car. They should be have to financial damage such as having to time and from of work in nanography and medical expenses.